What's up, guys? So today we're gonna do some middle work on this part we took off yesterday, and I think it's gonna be right on. It's just gonna be some spots like this. We're gonna cut out and weld a new piece in, hammer it round like this, and yeah, then a new edge close to, not all the way around, but from this corner down to here, and these two things on the back side of it. So as you can see here, I just cut this part out. I cut it up here and around, and then I just built this one. This was spot weld, so I have drilled that out, but haven't drilled it here yet. But I think I'll drill a little hole so we have something to weld in through. But yeah, it fits pretty good. I think there's a little bit thickness difference, but in the middle, but that'll be it. This is what I have laying around, but I think I'll have to go out and buy maybe half a mil thicker or something, but we will do that in a later time when it's needed. For this is completely fine, but yeah, I will take this in, clean the other ones up and take it in, and then we can go to the next one.
I don't know.
Okay, I'm just gonna show you a little trick, guys. If you have a piece of aluminium, it doesn't matter how form or how thickness or anything about it, just this aluminium or copper or something that's not metal. Like, it is a metal, but it can take much more heat than normal stainless steel or black steel like this. So if you have a piece, let's just say aluminium like this, and you have a gap with a little bit too much air in between, so if you have to weld it, just put this piece down here. Just put the piece under it, because then you can weld it like I have done. You can see it, all these spots here, and it will not stick to it. So you can just weld without even thinking about burning it through. So yeah, that was just a little trick. Okay, so now I'm just gonna change this upper part from here to here, because it's completely fucked up and I don't want to weld it out. It's just gonna burn the metal, so fuck that. We're just gonna change it and weld it in here. Oh, I actually think all the way up here, something like that. And then we just need to fully weld it all. I think we're gonna weld the spot welds up while we're here, and we can put the aluminium block behind it, and that'll be it. And then we're gonna weld a new piece in here, but let's see how much we will do today. I think we're gonna make this one and probably also this one. Okay, my phone died when I was filming, but yeah, now you can see how it is. We have fixed all the spots on it, and it should actually be ready just to be welded, and that will be it. So we'll give you a quick time lapse of me welding it, and yeah, as you can see here, I have hammered all this out, but it fits perfect, and yeah. Okay guys, so as you can see now, we have grinded all the welds down. We only need a little bit here and a little bit in the corners, but I need a new grinder, a small grinder for this, but I will buy that. And yeah, we have grinded all the things down for the basic, and yeah, as you can see in the corner there, and a little bit over there to that corner, we need to grind a little bit more, but this has been rounded nice, and we just need to give it some finer grinding, and then this will be done. Okay, as you just saw, we have just been welding this panel up and grinding it down, so we just need a little bit more finish on it, but that'll be it. So follow, like, subscribe, and see you next time.